We want you to listen to this. Our next guest says from June of last year to August 2nd of this year, there have been more than 1,600 opioid deaths here in Arizona, with more than 10,000 opioid overdoses. Those numbers, they are staggering. And if you want to fight an opiate addiction, you have to detox. This is Shannon Weir. She is a nursing director at Gallus Detox Centers, and she's here to help keep us in mind of what's going on and, of course, get the comfort that you need as you go through this detox stage. Great to have you here. It's such an important topic. A little over a year, those numbers are alarming. Yeah. Talk about what's going on in Arizona when it comes to addiction.
You know, it started off, most people started off with pills prescribed, some opiates, whether it was an injury or chronic pain, and then they became addicted to it. And once that addiction starts, it's very hard to stop.
And unfortunately, there's such a stigma
right.
surrounded around addiction. And you said that it's very important that families who are watching this right now understand detox is critical in recovery.
Absolutely.
Why?
Because if you don't detox, you know, you go to treatment, you try to get help, but you're sick. It can be medically dangerous to detox at home, to try and detox yourself from home. And so it's really important to get that detox where it's a good detox and a good experience so that you get through it with a positive attitude, and then you can go on to the treatment and be of right mind to start that and participate.
Let's talk about Gallus. It's a very small treatment facility, a detox center. Talk about what you provide to clients.
Okay, so we provide, we only have 6 beds. So we provide IV therapy for all of our patients so that not only can we keep you hydrated, but we can medicate your symptoms, and IV medicine works a lot quicker than oral medication. And so because we're small, we've got a very small nurse to patient ratio, and so they get you know, a lot of care quickly, and they're not having to wait in line or, you know, for people to come take care of them.
We're looking at some pictures. It's like their family, right?
Absolutely.
These 6 folks who are going through this.
Yeah.
Talk about your staff.
Okay.
You have quite a staff on hand to help through this detox process, which you say takes anywhere from 5 days to a couple of weeks.
5 days to, right, depending on what substance you're coming off of, because we detox off of all substances. Our staff, all of our nurses are critical care and emergency room nurses, as are our physicians. And then we have techs as well. So we have behavioral health techs and a nurse 24/7 to take care of our patients.
So when you're going through a detox like this over a period of 5 days to a couple of weeks, what is the success rate of that?
You know, that for detox, we could say we could detox 100% of people. We can definitely get you through detox. The key point is they meet with our substance abuse counselor, who then helps develop an aftercare plan with them. So whether that's going to inpatient treatment or intensive outpatient or counseling, and that's really what's going to help determine their success moving forward.
And plus the fact that you are such a small facility, you aren't contracted, correct?
Correct.
So explain what that means.
So we don't, we're not covered by Medicare Access or Medicaid. We do take private insurance. We do take TRICARE for our military members, and we're contracted with ComPsych, which is in the AP program, and MultiPlan.
But you said people should really don't try to go this alone, right?
No, it's really not safe, and it's not very effective. You get so sick at home and you tend to get dehydrated, you can have other medical problems, whereas you can come to us and we can help you through this comfortably and safely.
And the goal, of course, is to get people healthy and back to their normal life.
Exactly.
Great information. Thank you so much for the work
you
do.
Me.
Gallus Detox Centers, they are located at 4326 North 75th Street. That is in Scottsdale. Give them a call today, 480-525-5330, or visit them online, gallusdetox.com.